how to perform a transition between scenes in OBS. So, to start, first have the scene that you want to view or record or present with your stream already on the right-hand program side. On the left-hand side, you'll have your preview that you're going to want to be transitioning to. Okay. Then from down here, over on the scene transitions section, you can go ahead and select different kinds of transitions. First, you're going to want to add the one that you're looking for. So for myself, I've selected slide. And I'll just give you a little preview of what the slide will do. It will go from right to left. And you can also select up or down, preview it as such. Okay. I'll select on OK. So now I'm selected on slide 2 because it's my second slide that I've added in here. And then what I can do is change the duration of the animation. So if I click on transition right now, you notice that it is kind of quick. And if you don't have a very good internet connection, it might be a little bit hard. So what I'll go ahead and do is raise up the duration milliseconds for the transition to take place. And now I'll go ahead and select on transition. And you notice it goes a little bit slower. It's a little bit easier on the eyes. So that's how you go about setting up a basic transition in OBS.